Let's go see Mulberry. Hi, Mulberry. Oh, do you have something to say? Really? How's your day been? Oh, has anybody bothered you all day? Who was it? Was it Dimple? Was it Honey Bun? Oh, it's Honey Bun? Honey Bun bothered you? Let's go ask Honey Bun what she has to say. Honey Bun, is that what you have to say about it? Oh. Okay. Let's see if Houdini has anything to say. Hi, Houdini. Do you have anything to say? No? Not you? Okay. It was you that bothered her. That's okay. Let's see if her mom has anything to say about it. Oh. Is that all you have to say? When are your babies gonna hatch? That soon? It's about a week? A little less than a week? You tired of sitting here? Oh, not that tired? Oh no, really tired. Okay. You think it's funny that you're gonna be a grandma soon? Oh. You're tired. Let's see your sister over here. Hi, Luke. What you been doing? Oh. Just that? Oh. You got a lot to say. That's okay. Are you going to have any babies? You're just going to share them with Coconut? Hi, Coconut. Look at Houdini over there. Hi, Houdini. What are you doing? Hi. I already saw you lay an egg. What are you doing in here? Are you playing with your eggs? Who knew a leghorn would sit on their eggs for a while after they lay them? You care about it a lot. What do you got doing? What are you doing? Yeah, okay. You got something to say too. All the nest boxes are occupied? You had to wait your turn? Was that annoying? Ginger decided to lay an egg and you had to wait. That's okay. Bye, Mulberry.